A huge explosion and fire destroyed a factory producing plastic foam and plastic pellets and caused extensive damage to surrounding communities in Bang Phli district early Monday morning. 21 people were confirmed injured, officials and rescue foundations reported. The toll was not final. The Disaster Prevention and Mitigation Department and Bang Phli District Office ordered the urgent evacuation of all people within a 5-kilometer radius. There were worries there could be more explosions as the core fire was moving towards another area used to store chemicals. There are 5 or 6 warehouses in the factory compound, where 50 tons of chemicals were reported to be stored. The explosion occurred about 2:50 a.m. at the Mingdik Chemical Factory in Soi King Kiwu 21 at Mu 15 village in Tambin Ratchathewa. It was followed by a massive fire that engulfed the entire factory and caused extensive damage to buildings and houses within a 1-kilometer radius. More than 30 fire engines from the Ratchathewa Tambin Administration Organization and other local administrations were rushed to the scene. Helicopters were sent to dump water on the fire as thick smoke continued to billow from the burning factory. The smoke plume was clearly seen in Bangkok and was also visible from Suvarnabhumi Airport, but flights were not affected. The explosion was felt as far as 5 kilometers from the factory site. "I heard a big bang. It sounded very close, and I thought it was a huge lightning bolt," said Arithang Boonrad, a Bangkok Post employee whose house is 5 kilometers away. "Then I heard sirens and thought a plane had crashed," she said. Her house was shaken by the blast wave, but not damaged. Owners of houses damaged by the explosion and fire were advised to register a complaint with police. Motorists were advised to avoid roads in Ratchathewa, while Chularit 9 Hospital postponed all patients' appointments. People scheduled for vaccination on Monday should come on Tuesday instead, the hospital said. The cause of the explosion was not known. Taiwanese-based Mingdik Chemical Company set up the factory in 1998. It can produce up to 30,000 tons of plastic foam and pellets a year. The factory is a hub to distribute the products to domestic markets and export to neighboring countries.